Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I am here with you again in the fabulous city of Sin, Las Vegas. We are here at Bally's Las Vegas. I'm going to take you guys through a quick walking tour. So we're just up by the ballrooms and conference centers here at Bally's. Over to my right there will be a little cafe area and the poker room here at Bally's as well. Plus they do have old draw Bally's Keno, old draw Keno here at Bally's as well. So if you guys want to play some old school Keno, you can definitely do that here at Bally's. To the right is that cafe area that I was talking about here for you guys. And to give you some interesting facts about Bally's, Bally's was built and opened back on December 5th of 1973 with 2,814 rooms and $106 million build cost. Now the most sought after attraction here at Bally's is the Sterling Brunch Buffet. So that is actually happening today. It is Sunday here at Bally's. Over to my left was that old draw Keno here. Over to my right is a nice little bar over by the poker room. So we just passed by the poker room here. We'll kind of take you up. Straight ahead will be the lobby. Up to the left will be your exit to go back to Las Vegas Boulevard. So if you guys are trying to get to the Boulevard, that's where you go. Uber and Lyft pickup is over to the left at the end of hotel registration. So we're going to take you guys through a quick walking tour here and show you a little bit of the casino floor here at Bally's. Now, Bally's is a Caesars Entertainment property, so if you guys use Caesars Rewards, you can definitely do that here. I think it's called Total Rewards at Caesars. But as you guys know, we like MGM quite a bit. That's where we always throw down and gamble at. But Caesars isn't too bad either. I have a buddy that's pretty high up on Caesars Rewards, so he always likes it because he says that they do a pretty decent job at comping him. Over to my right is going to be your high limit lounge. So we're filming this in the morning on Sunday, so the table minimums are going to be a little bit cheaper. It's $10 minimums here. They have everything from left ride to Pie Gown Poker to Lazy Blackjack, free bet blackjack. They have tons of stuff here going on at Bally's in Las Vegas. Over to the right, if you're trying to go to Paris, you can definitely do that over to the right. Now, if you remember, in years past, they used to have the bodies exhibit here, but that has since moved to the Luxor, so that bodies exhibit is no longer here. Take you up towards the back here, and this will be where the Monorail Station is here at Bally's. So I'll kind of take you up over on the right-hand side here by the Indigo Lounge. So over to my right, there will be some restaurants that you can check out. Over to the left is going to be the Convention Center and the Resort Tower. So if you're staying here, you can definitely go over to your tower that way. So there are some places to eat down this way. Go check that out here. Tequila Taqueria, it's over on my left. And BLT Steak, so that's where that is. There's also a little Thai restaurant that's back there as well. We're going to take you downstairs and explore a little bit of the underground here at Bally's. And then once we get done with the underground, we'll kind of bring you back and go around the front here at Bally's as well. So I have some Italian dining right above us there. And in the underground, there's a bunch of shops and stuff down here, and I think they have a food court down here as well, and this is how you get to the monorail here at Bally. So if you're taking the monorail, Las Vegas monorail on the back side, you can definitely stop here at Bally's Paris. This is the closest stop to the Bellagio, so if you're trying to catch the Bellagio fountains, take the monorail down this way, and you can get off at this stop and just literally walk right across the street and you're at Bellagio. So it's a nice little way to get up and down the strip, but it is one that you do have to pay for. It's not free like the Bellagio to Park MGM or the Excalibur to Mandalay Bay. So it is, I think it's like $12 for a 24-hour pass or something like that per person, so not too terribly bad. 24 bucks for 2 people for all-day travel up and down the strip is not bad when you consider how much walking you do in the city, and it's not that bad at all to pay when it comes to prices of a taxi or even considering an Uber or a Lyft. But each their own. So up here straight ahead is going to be the food court that we talked about. I'll kind of take you over to the Monorail Station, show you exactly where that's going to be here at Bally's, and then we'll kind of make our way back towards the front here at Bally's and show you some other stuff as well here. They have tons of gift shops and souvenir stuff here, so if you guys need to grab stuff for your friends or family, this is a good place to do your shopping and get that stuff done. So for the food court, they have Pan Asian Express, they have Johnny Rockets, Blitz Yogurt and Crepes, Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs, Sbarro, Subway, and I think that's it. And then over to the right, this is where your sports book is going to be here at Bally. So if you're looking for that, it is downstairs, guys. And this is where you would find me on a day like today on Sunday. And that's exactly what I plan on doing. As soon as I get done filming some of these adventures for you guys, take a little bit of a rest, hang out in the sports book area, drink a few cocktails, and then sober up for tonight's edition of the strip walk. So planned on doing the strip walk at night this time, so you guys can enjoy that, get a little bit different change of scenery and pace from what it typically is during the day. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy these videos here that we have for this trip in Las Vegas. We'll be back soon. Don't have exact dates yet, but as soon as I do, I'll post something, let you guys know. So if you guys are in this fabulous city of Sin, you guys can meet up with me and maybe have a few beers or cocktails, whatever you want, and enjoy this time in Vegas. But up over to the left is going to be where the pool is here at Bally's, and then the monorail entrance is over here on the right. But I think that'll do it for today, guys, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so, like this video, share it with your friends and family. But as always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.